Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the WJSTN 2FT XLR male-to-male microphone cables, a product designed to be a workhorse in any audio setup. For anyone needing reliable, short-run connections, these cables present a compelling option. Right off the bat, one notices the durable construction. These aren't flimsy wires. They're reinforced with a sturdy copper core, which is crucial for maintaining signal integrity over time. Encasing this core is a flexible PVC jacket. This combination means the cables can withstand the rigors of frequent use, whether they're being coiled and uncoiled in a home studio or enduring the demands of a live gig. The flexibility also makes them easy to manage, preventing kinks and tangles that can plague lesser quality cables. When it comes to performance, the WJSTN cables truly aim for a noise-free experience. Their shielded design is a significant feature, actively working to minimize interference. This is paramount for audio professionals and enthusiasts alike, as it ensures clear, static-free audio transmission. Imagine recording a pristine vocal track or running a clean signal to a powered speaker. These cables are engineered to deliver that high-fidelity sound without unwanted hums or buzzes. The commitment to a clean signal is evident, making them a trustworthy link in the audio chain. Compatibility is rarely an issue with these, thanks to their standard 3-pin XLR male connectors on both ends. This universal design means they'll seamlessly integrate with a vast array of audio devices. From connecting microphones to mixers, amplifiers to speakers, or even linking various components in a rack setup, these cables are built for broad application. The 2-foot length is particularly useful for situations where longer cables would create unnecessary clutter, such as connecting effects pedals, short runs between rack gear, or desktop microphone setups. The versatility extends to various usage scenarios. Whether one is setting up a home recording studio, preparing for a live performance, or simply upgrading existing connections for better sound, these cables are up to the task. The fact that they come in a 2-pack is also a thoughtful touch, providing immediate value and ensuring one always has a spare or a second cable for stereo applications or connecting multiple devices. In essence, the WJSTN 2FT XLR male-to-male microphone cables are presented as a robust and reliable solution for anyone seeking high-quality, short-distance audio connections. Their durable build, noise-free performance, and universal compatibility make them a practical and essential component for achieving crystal-clear sound in diverse audio environments.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.